Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to introduce you to one of the best baby bibs for feeding available in the market, the Bumpkin Super Bib. If you're a parent or caregiver looking for a solution to keep your little one clean and mess-free during mealtime, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with all the essential details about the Bumpkin Super Bib, its features, and why it's a must-have for parents of babies and toddlers. The Bumpkin Super Bib is designed to make feeding time easier and less messy for babies and toddlers aged 6 to 24 months. This bib comes in various color options, but we're focusing on the Hangry 3PK color variant. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features of the Bumpkin Super Bib. These bibs are suitable for both boys and girls in the age range of 6 to 24 months. The Super Bib features a convenient catch-all pocket that helps catch spills and food crumbs, keeping your baby's clothes clean. The bib attaches over the back of the shoulder using a hook and loop closure, ensuring a quick, adjustable, and tug-proof fit. Made from Bumpkin's original waterproof fabric, which consists of 100% polyester embedded with TPU, these bibs are easy to wipe clean and machine washable. Bumpkin's signature waterproof fabric is not only durable but also lightweight and comfortable for your little one. You can wash and reuse these bibs over and over again. Bumpkins takes safety seriously and ensures that their products comply with CPSC and CPSIA standards for BPA, lead, and phthalate. The Bumpkin Super Bib is perfect for self-feeding, whether your baby is transitioning from purees to solids or exploring different foods during baby-led weaning. These bibs are designed to save you from the mess while keeping your baby comfortable. In conclusion, the Bumpkin Super Bib is a fantastic solution for keeping your baby or toddler clean during mealtime. Its waterproof and easy-to-clean fabric, secure fit, and crumb-catching pocket make it an essential must-have for parents and caregivers. If you're tired of constantly changing your little one's clothes after meals, the Bumpkin Super Bib is here to make your life easier. That wraps up our review of the Bumpkin Super Bib. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel, Product Critique, for more informative reviews and product recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with this bib, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.